Hi dear children, how are you all? Do you study first two lessons? Nutrition in plants and nutrition in animals. We already revised the two lessons. Today we are going to revise our third lesson, fiber to fabric. Our third lesson name, fiber to fabric. First of all, answer the following. Before that, everybody should read the textbook carefully. All the one-word answers from the textbook only. So, dear children, everybody should read the textbook carefully. Okay. Then, let us revise or answer the following questions. First question, what do you mean by the term selective breeding? The process of breeding of selective parents for obtaining special characters in their offspring. What is selective breeding? The process of breeding of selective parents for obtaining special characters in their offspring, such as soft under hair in sheep. It is called selective breeding. Next question, explain various steps used in the process of making wool. It is one long question, but it is very simple. Okay, write your own sentence, no problem. But you should study this question. Okay, it is very important question. Okay, second question, explain various steps used in the process of making wool. The various steps to obtain wool are: first point, shearing. The fleece of the sheep along with thin layer of the skin is removed from its body. This process is called shearing. So, shearing is the removal of fleece along with thin layer of the skin from the sheep. It is called shearing. Second step, scouring. First step, shearing. Then second step, scouring. What is scouring? Already studied now, scouring. Scouring means the shirred skin with hair is thoroughly washed in large tank to remove dust and dirt particles. This process is called scouring. The second step, scouring, is the removal of dust and dirt particles. The sheared skin skin with hair is thoroughly washed in large tanks. Okay, that is the second step, scouring. Then third one, sorting. Third step, sorting. Sorting. It is a separation technique. Sorting is a separation technique. After scouring, sorting is done. The hairy skin sent to a factory. When the hair of different textures are separated or sorted. Where hair of different textures are separated or sorted. Different based on the different textures, fibers are separated out. That is sorting. The next one, small fluffy fibers called burr. Small fluffy fibers called burr. It is picked out from the hair and the fibers are scrubbed again and again and dried. Okay, next step, fibers can be dyed in various colors. We know that normally the sheets are white, black or brown in color. So we can get different colors of woolen cloth. So these woolen fibers are dyed in various colors. Okay, so these fibers can be dyed in various colors. And the natural fleece of sheep and goats of black or brown or white color. Okay. The last step, fibers are straightened, combed and rolled into yarn. The longer fibers are made into wool for sweaters. For longer fibers use for making sweaters. And the shorter fibers are spun and woven into woolen cloth. The shorter fibers are used for making woolen cloth. Okay. Explain various steps used in the process of making wool. This is very important question. You should study this question. Okay. Next question. What is sericulture? The rearing of silkworms for obtaining silk is called sericulture. എന്താണ് sericulture? Rearing of silkworm. For rearing of silkworm for obtaining silk is called sericulture. Which stage the silk moth spins the silk fibers around itself? Caterpillar or larva. The covering of silk fibers inside which the caterpillar covers itself is called cocoon. Cocoon stage. The caterpillar covers completely their body of the fibers. Okay. Covering of silk fibers inside which the caterpillar covers itself is called cocoon. Last question. Explain reeling of the silk. The process of taking out threads from the cocoon for use as silk is called reeling of the silk. The process of taking out threads from the cocoon. ഈ cocoonil നിന്നും threads collect ചെയ്യാണ്. The process of taking out threads from the cocoons for use as silk is called reeling the silk. Okay, dear students, this lesson is over. Then everybody should read the textbook carefully, because all the one word answers from your textbook. If you read well, you will get nice exam. At least 2 or 3 times you read the textbook and find out all the one word answers and mark it out. And study well, dear children. All the best for your exam. Thank you.